Superior got mad just now running. Fucking bullshit. The fucking kid freaks me out, bro. I swear he's mad. Because Rambo don't want to help nobody capture. I'm the only guy in here, Deke. I died, Deke. Because I'm the only guy in there. Because Rambo. The man shot me in the fucking toe and I died. Good for him. Fucking toe shot. Let's keep bucked up. Yeah, they're right on it. You see that, Ronnie, or no?
You did.